The HeartPlus2 is a user-friendly AED that delivers biphasic truncated exponential waveform which automatically adjusts to patient's resistance in order to deliver constant current across a broad range of body types, including children. The battery status bars indicate the remaining charge level of the battery. When the device is operating properly, the standby LED will flash every 7 seconds. Push the status button to perform a self-diagnostic check or connect to PC mode for data management. Push the cover in to open and activate the device. The default energy is set at adult mode. To convert from adult to pediatric mode, slide the cover to the left and hold the yellow button for 3 seconds. To turn off the device, hold the power button for 2 seconds. The disposable lithium-ion battery pack supplies power to the device. The wireless communication battery pack provides power to the optional CDMA wireless communications module. The administrator will ensure device readiness by pre-connecting the electrode pads. The same pads are used on both adults and infants to analyze ECG and deliver defibrillation shocks. The control panel displays step-by-step visual instructions and real-time progress. Internal speakers enable voice instructions for step-by-step guidance. If the results of ECG analysis recommend a shock, the manual shock button should be pressed.